Welcome back to Random Honest Reviews. First, we would like to apologize for not being around for 2 months due to our work. But this year, 2023, we promise to give you a better and bigger channel. So we will start with this K690 USB microphone by Fifine. Let's go! Let's go over the main features and specs of this microphone. First is its build quality. Almost everything that you see here is made out of metal, excluding the button and the volume dials. It has metal grills protecting its 3 capsules, a heavy metal body with plastic knobs, a mute button, and a LED light indicator for when you're muted or not. Finally, it has this heavy-duty stand that's very sturdy, and I'm pretty sure you can use it for self-defense. Second, let's look at its ports. Under the mic, you'll find its mini USB jack that serves as its 5-volt power supply. All you have to do is plug and play this. As for Fifine or Fifine, a USB microphone is still what streamers go to as it's easy to set up. No more XLR gears and such. It also has this 3.5mm port for your headset or earphones monitoring. So it's, for me, in my experience, it's real time and there's no latency when you use this. Finally, at the middle, it's not a port but rather a screw for when you want to use this on a boom arm. So all you have to do is screw on the adapter that comes with it. Lastly, let's check out its polar pattern. So this is the main feature of the mic, and as I said, at the back of the mic, there's a dial in which you could easily switch to different polar patterns according to your needs. So here's what we will do. I'm going to read off the description of each polar pattern, and I'm going to rotate the microphone so you know how it will pick up the voice on the different directions of the mic. So right now I'm using cardioid, and let's start with this one. The cardioid polar pattern is for streaming, recording voiceovers, recording your vocals, and for recording instruments. So this polar pattern is also used mostly by gamers. The omnidirectional polar pattern is for ASMR. It's also used for conferencing of multiple members. So when you say omnidirectional, it's supposed to capture 360 degrees around its capsule or its microphone diaphragm. Next, we have the stereo polar pattern. So this polar pattern is used for recording ASMR, for podcasts, for vocals, and for instruments. And right now you can hear a taxi that's very noisy passing by in front of our house. Finally, we have the bidirectional polar pattern. So this microphone polar pattern is used for face-to-face interviews and podcasts. And it's supposed to capture your voice or the sound coming from the front and the rear of the microphone. As always, with the microphone on the side and using its cardioid polar pattern, let's do an instrument test. So there you have the K690 USB microphone by Fifine. I recorded this using a Samsung phone using this USB-C to Type-A adapter, and I am literally in the garden. So yes, I'm right outside the house just to let you see or have a glimpse of how this microphone will fare well outdoors. I do know that this is supposed to be used indoors or in a studio or non-treated room, but why don't we try it outside, right? So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, I'm only here to help you with your purchase decisions. In the end, it's always going to be your choice, your call. See you in the next video.